Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee, welcome back. I just filmed a video unboxing my Tonic Studios subscription box and I don't know what happened. I don't know if I just forgot to push record or if it I don't know, it's just my video's not there. So I'm not gonna be surprised when I show you. So I didn't know what this month's box was gonna be. So I was going to be surprised when I show it to you because I kind of like to be surprised about those kinds of things, but oh well, it is what it is. Okay, so this is going to be my second box I've received from Tonic Studios for the subscription box, and from what I can tell, watching other people's videos and such, I can tell that every month they send you a pretty decent die set, papers, Nuvo products like Nuvo drops and sequins and stuff like that. So it's a pretty nice subscription, I think. So this is the second time I've received it, and so I wanted to share with you what came in the subscription. So one of the first things is this nice pen. They sent this nice pen, and I think it's just a Tonic Studios pen. So just really nice, just a little bit of marketing going on where they're sending you something with their logos and everything. And it's just a ballpoint pen. So super nice. And they also sent this glitter marker in the color Wild Mulberry, which I thought was really pretty. And I'll show you the papers that they sent. They sent them in this nice folder, which I thought was nice, which I could definitely reuse. And let's see here, show you those. So we've got a really nice let me move my camera a little bit because I've got to reach around. I've got a bunch of stuff going on here. A really nice thick piece of cardstock, of white cardstock, and it's super smooth. And what I was saying in the other video, I thought this was so pretty. It reminds me of a fancy wallpaper. You go into a castle or something, and it's this is what the wallpaper would look like. I don't know. That's what it reminded me of. And then this really pretty blue textured paper. And then a pretty blush colored textured paper. And kind of an eggplant textured paper. And then we've got this really pretty embossed eggplant colored paper. And then this beautiful glitter paper, and it's got two colors of glitter. So it's got light blue and dark blue glitter. I don't know if it's picking it up on the camera. And then we've got this pretty textured blue paper. And then I don't want to hurt your eyes with this, but we've got this eggplant colored holo paper. So those are the papers. And let's see, we'll put these over to the side with the papers. Then next we have some goodies here. So we've got these Nuvo Spring Rose. What are these? These are sequins. Does it say? Pure sheen sequins is what it says. Are they different sizes? Yep, and they're different sizes. Super pretty. And we've got Nuvo drops, crystal drops, and these are in the color, what color? Navy blue. Yeah, navy blue, which I thought was really interesting because that's navy blue according to me, according to what I learned in school. But anyway, it's called navy blue. It's a really pretty color. And then we have this glimmer paste. What color is this? Galactica blue, is that what it says? It's hard to see. I think it's Galactica blue. I don't know if you guys can read that, but look how pretty that is. That's so pretty. I've never used glimmer paste, you guys. Does anybody use it? Do you like it? What do you think about it? And then we have mica mist, and I've never used mica mist either, and this is in the color Midnight Horizon. Then we have the name of the project is called Serendipitous Purse Box, and this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you the dies and the stamps in just a second, but that's what it looks like. How cute. And so you can make the little purse, you could put the cute little, you know, sentiments on there, and also you can make tags with them, and you could also use those tags for other projects as well. So that's cute. And then let's see, here's what, oh, and then one more thing came, which is not like dye related, and it is an adhesive tape runner, which is always good to have. And then apparently every few months they send you a binder to store your dyes in, excuse me, because your dyes come in a little folder like this with holes on it, and you can store them that way. So like I said, this is my second one, so I don't know like how often they do it, like every few months or what, but they sent me one. And then here is what the dyes look like. So pretty cool. The it doesn't look like it's gonna be too big. So this will be fun to include in somebody's happy mail, or, you know, send out in a project. And then here's those little sentiments and the little tags right there. And there's the stamps. So yeah, guys, and then one more thing. I guess like Tonic Studios, I guess they're having a birthday coming up, because birthday week is going to be July 26th to August 1st. 20%, you can get 20% off. And let's see. Look what's coming. Oh my gosh, limited edition stencils. Look how cute that Tonic keychain is, the Nuvo Drops keychain. Oh my gosh, so cute. Brand new Nuvo products, new dyes and stamps. And then kit subscribers receive 20% off the store during birthday week. Excludes tangerine. I don't know what excludes tangerine means. If anybody knows, tell me. But oh my gosh, I need that. I need that keychain in my life. That is so cute. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to share the subscription if you've been teetering on the fence about getting it. I think I'm going to share it every month as I continue to receive it. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye.